Good love and body rock and knock boots, pots and pans. Yep, I found money in my box. I didn't catch that.
Oh. I'm just gonna save them for later. Let's put them right here. Oh.
Every box has a road. Been seen again since the day we called them wood choppers. Ah, there's two of them on my hand. Oh yeah, look at these. Look at that. That's some exclusive size 10s. I don't. Can I need my shoe expert. Are any of these valuable? That one's all right.
Here's the other. No, it's not Jordan. Is. I don't know what make that is.
This is a Brooklyn. No, this is a Jordan. Is this a good one?
No, that's a. It's all okay. That's Spike Lee. Look at the back. See the back here?
Yeah. Let me see.
Right here, watch. See that?
That's a Griffey.
Look, that's a picture of him. Okay. And then the other shoe.
And the shirts are good too. Like this. What's this?
Look, these are like brand new.
Gronkowski.
Oh, there you go.
That's a nice jersey.
It fit you too.
It would.
Put these aside.
There's all kinds of jerseys, Mike.
Oh yes, let's see them. Come on.
Kobe Bryant.
Oh, Tom Brady.
Oh yeah, Tom Brady. I mean.
Oh, look at this. Is this Bart Simpson?
That's what I found, baby. Tell me this ain't a humongous post.
We got Bart Simpson's jersey here. Tom Brady, smart.
Nice.
This is cool. Jerseys are money.
Irving.
Hayward.
All Celtics.
Celtics
Russell,
are all right.
Pierce, yeah.
Okay. Tatum.
Hartford.
All right.
Oh man.
Dang, those are nice too.
No, we should have some 13s. What are we doing? Oh,
I'm gonna put them in their own box. I just want to get the good stuff out. That was his jersey.
Come on.
It's too early for me to be doing this stuff. Let me dolly. My back hurts.
Oh my God.
We're addicted to making sweet love.
Nothing.
All night long. Hey, hey. Some good love and body rock and knock boots, pots and pans. Hey, hey. Wow, these people went to town on their packing. Oh my, what's the A? How you doing?
Hey, what's your name, girl? Oh, whatever.
Payaso. Quit clowning around, Mike. You got work to do.
Quit clowning around.
Did I get the O face? Yankee Candle. Riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Weird, this is just personal. We'll give this back.
But Mike, this knife wasn't given to you by someone very special, was it?
No.
Because odds are I might lose it.
I'm giving it to you right now.
Thank you. I'm going to save it forever. Oh, wow.
This is different.
This is very different right here, Mike. How the packaging stuff.
Yeah, it's good stuff. Can't catch.
Murano glass. Look at that. We got an Alameda item.
It's nice.
That is beautiful. Amber. All right, guys, we got all this stuff here in the storage. I'm going to show you everything when it's laid out at the flea market tomorrow. Frick. This box threw up on itself over there. That's weird. Weird stuff.
In the middle of the night. Oh, let's play. Who has the better toe? You want to play one?
If you want to.
I ain't gonna say that because you always grab expensive stuff. I never even noticed it. Alright, here we go. First luck. And we have. Oh.
We got rugs.
Oh, I might have won this time. Oh,
Jeep trail. Wow, they have everything wrapped inside of something. Like, look, here's a bulb. What are these for? Are these supposed to be something special?
You need doggy door for your
No.
slider?
Maybe there's some type of are these growing bulbs? Here, this is gonna replace Liz's selfie stick she lost at the Congo Bongo. Yep, I found money in my box.
You found money? You found 50 cents because it's a ripped dollar. That's me. I'm giving that back.
You got a tag.
Yeah, and I found this right here. Little baby bulletproof vest. But they're not wood, they're just props, but they're still nice. Very nice.
Some cool shirts. Must have had a fun job or something because he got the dress all bright and fun.
Maybe he was retired.
I'll tell you what, he didn't fold his laundry because this is not. It's all clothes. So far, it's very regular. Okay. American Outfitters. These are not military though. They're just like military motif. A lot of clothes. The American flag shorts. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I don't like that little pea stain on the pocket.
Are we here with it or
What?
what?
Oh. What are you talking about?
Before we shoot.
Jose, wait.
Can you see?
By the dawn's early light. What happened? I didn't catch that.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Ah.
that's an attack mode. Let me get over here.
Don't kill it yet, Uncle Mike.
Is that a roach? What is that thing?
You get the treatment.
I'm gonna
Sensors, please. Oh, see, oh, poor little guys. These little feet are wiggling. You're gonna go free.
No, put it down.
kill it.
Put it down.
kill it.
Kill it.
He's trying to. I'm just, you know what? I'm just gonna save him for later. Let's put him right here. Oh. There's some really nice sofas in here.
Yeah?
You see more stacking church fruit?
Right here?
All different.
The lady called me from Deer Valley yesterday.
Yeah.
I'm like, he gave me a week. She was like, who gave you a week? I was like, David. She was like, this Van though? I was like, I'm pretty sure Van's not worried about it. Me and Mike bought a lot of units. She was like, oh, you bought with Mike? Oh, you guys should be fine. Only that. Turn your camera.
What is it?
Turn your camera.
I'm waiting for you to jump at a cockroach. My camera's going.
Oh. No, Cockroach wants it with me.
Ooh.
What'd you with the last guy?
Bruce Leroy.
No.
Uncle Michael, you.
L. Leroy. L. Leroy.
Do you know what Bruce Leroy is?
Oh. Oops. It's a very cheap knife.
I hate cockroaches. I really do. They're my least favorite things in the world. There's a lot of mattresses. I hope there's a Harley back there or something. I just presume every roach has a box. Every box has a roach. Just like every cowboy sings a sad, sad song. Every box has a roach. Who's when I hear that song, I think of him.
Kevin Hinkler liked it.
Yeah, but they were good buddies, weren't they?
Yeah.
Okay, there's not a Harley back there. You know what I really hope is that there's something in here that's not a cockroach. Alex, I got you some new lampshades for your room. Look, Alex.
See them guys?
Yeah.
They're hanging out.
Okay, the next time we buy, we're going no cockroaches.
We gotta finish off all the rest of the roaches we got first.
They're all over.
Look at this humongous box we found. Like
Whose size is that one?
I need
One in the blanket.
Oh! We met the queen. Oh, hail the queen.
No, these are like attacks though. Look how they...
Look at this guy, guys. Go ahead.
Wow.
You're like a pre...
Get him.
Sorry. All right, nice shoes though. I don't mind dealing with the roaches.
All right, we have that one over here.
Here's a Jordan.
Watch out for cockroaches. You know why cockroaches are in these boxes? What is one thing that cockroaches can live on?
Cardboard.
Hair.
Hair?
Yeah.
I got this hair on my head. What you mean hair?
Here's a cool one. Look at that, Mike. That's all you.
Yeah, if I had
Just make a
small...
big pile.
If I had small feet like Alex.
I had to match to that one.
Oh, we got a group of hangers with clothes.
Look for jerseys.
Let's see what we got here.
We got them Pelés. There doesn't look like there's gonna be a lot more boxes left. Here's the war scene. I got them all laid out. Samurai sword in full effect. We got some nice couches coming. Oh, laptops. I found a laptop. It's literally all furniture back here, so yeah. The way I gotta call the pods. I'm very pissed off right now. Getting over the online storage auction. Remember when I told her I have a sales permit? She said it's not necessary. I got charged on my PayPal card $231 from Pods yesterday. Like they went upon themselves and charged me $231 more freaking dollars. Not very happy about that. I don't even know what to say. Ban online auctions. Hashtag ban online auctions. That's where my head's at.
No.
Some nice jerseys.
Very nice jerseys.
Nike.
That's a dry fit. That's nice.
We're having a garage sale.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Everything's got to go.
Love the hair.
Here, you lost part of your sword.
Is that? It's just the tip. Look.
Just the tip. I'm looking for just the tip.
Samurai sort of saved my life today. I think we have over $1,000 in shoes and jerseys.
Easy.
So that puts us almost in a profit. Furniture.
In a store. Far away. There was a man.
Found antivirus. That would be a good one. I don't think Mr. Gates would like it, but we got an Acer and a Dell. Maybe some Bitcoin.
Acer Adele. Bitcoin? Think it'll be Bitcoin?
That's where they're often kept. Well, it's not like a physical item you're looking for. Do we want to do these on the auction?
No, not those. I took all the Blu-rays out.
This is a $50 bill on their auction.
These look like the Uncle Mike's right here.
The Uncle Mike's, the wood shoppers. Those have never been seen again since the day we called them wood shoppers. Ah! There's two of them on my hand.
Is that right on the back? What?
Look. Oh my goodness.
Which ones?
Why didn't you tell me there was roaches on that box? Okay. You know what that means.
Don't start tearing up my stuff.
My sword's a little limp. It jumped on me!
Watch out. That's all you got with me.
How you doing today, sir?
Oh, you're caught. Hold on. Hold on, you're caught on this.
Looking off or what?
You can stand up. Gonna have to go through the ribs. Oh. Whew. Like this. You guys owe me for saving your life.
Mike, if you were the wall.
One really nice TV. I'm a fan of this unit. You all right? Did you guys see that?
What?
He couldn't carry it. He couldn't carry the IKEA 10-pound couch.
Mike, you losing it?
We're gonna have this thing flooded with comments. Pirate's scared of roaches. Uncle Michael has to do everything. And he's not even nice to him.
That poor old guy.
That poor old man.
He's old.
That's elderly abuse. You want maybe put something on the feet so you don't scratch it?
Yeah.
Let me throw you a pad. Bruner's, when was that a store?
Back in, I used to be about Gummy War.
Cancun. Everything is Cancun to me now. Little Richard in reincarnation. We call you Big Richard?
Big Richard? Stalker Richard?
Well, because there's already a Little Richard, you have to be Big Richard.
No.
You're like your Big Daddy. You're not Little Daddy, right? You're Big Daddy.
Little Daddy.
Yeah.
Hey, little daddy.
And we found this right here. What unit wouldn't be complete without a rat? It's a big one.
That is not a rat. That is a mouse.
Look at this load, guys.
Oh, that's too
You
much
guys
work.
see the difference between me loading and Uncle Michael loading? What if you put it on its side here at the back and turn the chair around? Right here on the...
Just be on top of
That didn't fall me. It's something heavy.
You having to fix the load?
Drop all the way down. There you go. Come on, come on. Yeah.
There, now shove it in.
Don't what in?
Anything, just shove it in. This is when I realized you effed up. You put a vacuum as base. That's like a huge no-no. We only getting it all because I had to redo your load.
Oh, okay.
That was the sole reason. Look at that, guys. Isn't that better? Go ahead, Uncle Michael. Sweep the lick.
You're a sweet